Assalamu alaikum, I'm Arfa Akhlaq and welcome to Fried and Tasted. All the recipes here are tried and tested. So this chickpea salad recipe was given to me by my mother-in-law, and I like to say that this salad is so much like me, perfect blend of sweet and sour. So usually a salad makes people off, but this one is definitely a treat for taste buds. So if you make it for someone who runs away from salad, after this they're gonna run towards it. So this is perfect for lunch, dinner and evening snacks as well. Now why evening snacks? Because this salad tastes so much like chaat. Can you believe it? So make it yourself and believe it. Now let's see the ingredients. So I'll roughly go through the ingredients now. The exact measurements are in the description below. So here I have some chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Then here I have also finely chopped some ginger along with red or green chilies. I have chopped these ginger. You can also shred it or grate it, I mean. Then here I have, for the dressing, I have some sugar, lemon juice, some concentrated tamarind paste. You can also use the date and tamarind chutney that we put in chaats and all. Then you can adjust the sugar accordingly. I also have a little bit salt to dilute our dressing. I also have a little bit water to dilute the dressing. Then I have some salt. Then here I have some grated paneer. You can also, if you want, you can use feta cheese, or if you want, you can also use mozzarella, but for me, paneer goes the best. And finally, here I have some boiled chickpeas. I have boiled and cooked them with little bit salt until they are very soft. And so this is all we need for it.
So we will start with preparing the dressing for the salad or chaat. So in a bowl, I'm adding some sugar. Like I said before, you can use any kind of sugar. Some lemon juice, along with thick concentrated tamarind paste. I'm using this thick concentrated tamarind paste that I bought from store. It works very good for me. And a pinch of salt. You can add the salt according to how you want it. And then just give it a nice mix. You can also make homemade tamarind paste with date, or just, get whole tamarind and then just make it. And if you feel, you can add a little bit more water to combine everything. I have kept the dressing aside, and now in this big bowl I'm adding all the chopped tomato, onion and cilantro, along with ginger and chili, and also paneer. Mix everything. And here goes the main ingredient, which is chickpea, boiled chickpea, and also the dressing along with it, and just combine everything, and this salad or chaat is ready. Can you believe that is it? So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And you only decide whether is this a salad or chaat. Let me know in the comment what you think it is. You might also want to look at some other fruit salad recipes that are on my channel. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Have a nice day.